Hi friends, in this session, I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks in dimensions. When you add dimensions in the drawing for horizontal, we select this add horizontal dimension. For vertical, we select this add vertical dimension. But do you know you can use orthogonal dimension to place dimensions both horizontal and vertical direction? Let me just take this. I pick 2 points in horizontal direction. And then I pick 2 points in vertical direction. So what exactly I mean? You just have to change the direction of picked points. Let me add dimension to the holes. So I'm changing the direction now. First point, second, third, and fourth. And then press the middle mouse. Let me change the direction now. So here it is. So next time start using this orthogonal dimension instead of horizontal and vertical. So the next is, you must have noticed when I place the dimension, it actually jumped. How you can stop it? For example, now I'm going to add dimension. Let me pick the holes. Can you see when I pick here, it actually moves the dimension to a different point. How you can fix it? It is just because of your placement method is free. So let me change this one to fixed. Let me just go to the standard. I just want to apply this one. And now I'm going to pick points in vertical direction, first point, second point, and third point. Now, when I click here, it will actually place the dimension at the point that I pick. So make sure next time, if the dimension is moving from the picked position, you just have to fix this placing method. The next one is you can combine the dimension lines. For example, let me just pick 2 points. All these dimensions are separate dimension. So what I can do is I can select all the 3, right click and combine dimension lines. And the next option is you can also change the start point of the dimension. Just to help you understand, I'm going to change the dimension style to running dimension so that you can understand. Can you see it is actually going from right to left? Now I just want to make it from left to right. So right click and set dimension start point. Let me pick this point. Now it will automatically change the start point of your dimension. The next one is add or remove. I'm going to add dimension now. So right click and you can see the remove dimension point. Select and pick the dimensions to remove. To add, select add dimension and pick the points. You can also use add dimension point to both add and remove. For example, let me select add dimension point, press the shift key and click on the dimension line. It will act as remove. Once you release the shift key and then pick points, it will act as add dimension point. So start using these tips and tricks while editing your drawing, and you can see huge difference in your editing skill. And thank you for watching this video.